Let's see how you can insert an image into an element in Canva. This is a great way to create stylish designs with frames, shapes, and text effects. First, let's open up our design. So for this example, let's use print products and poster. Next, we need to go to the left-hand side and click on the Elements tab. Here, we need to select Frame. And after that, just use any frame that you would like to use for your image. So in this case, let's use this square with rounded edges. Next, all you have to do is go to your Uploads tab and then drag any image you want to here in the frame. So for example, if I want this image in the frame, all I need to do is drag this, and there it just pops. In order to adjust the picture's position in the frame, all you need to do is click on it and click on crop. You can change the zoom by doing this, and dragging the picture around will change its position. Once you're done and satisfied with your design, all you need to do is hit save. And that's it. That's how you insert an image in an element in Canva. See you soon!